Namaste students, this is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed 5th semester botany paper. Topic name is Magnoliaceae. Students, before this lecture, in taxonomy paper, we have seen some of the historical background of taxonomic classification. What are those scientists? What are those criteria on the basis of which plants has been categorized into different phylum, groups, family, genus, all those things we have done so far. Okay. Apart from that, we have studied herbarium, we have studied ICBN. After that, some of the characteristic features, some of the technical terms which are frequently being used in taxonomy, we have already seen. Another topic is also there in your practicals, where you will study all those technical terms which are frequently using in taxonomy. So since students, I am warning you that this is the first class of taxonomy of family description. I remember that in previous class, students were very threatened. Students were very afraid because this taxonomy is unlike to other botany paper based on terms and not on the basis of principles, theory, all those. Here you have to describe your plants, your flower on the basis of your previous study terms, concepts, clues. Okay. So unlike to other botany paper, this is very unique. But this uniqueness may be harmful or difficult for you people, but as a teacher, I am damn sure this is one of the most interesting paper of botany, topic of botany for me. I enjoyed a lot this paper, and I will try my best to make it more simpler, more easier, so that you cannot be afraid. Okay. And you can enjoy this paper, because I can guarantee you in taxonomy you have to remember at least plant's name, but the difficult task is that the botanical name is very difficult for students, what I experienced. Okay. The easiest way to learn the botanical terms or botanical plant name of plants is to get it in live forms, in concrete forms, in visualized forms, which is available in nature, which is lacking with other subjects. Suppose I am teaching you DNA. DNA is double helical structure. It has 4 nitrogenous bases, sugars are there, all those things are there. But you have to just imagine if there are double helical and there are sugars, there are bases, there are purines, adenine, guanines. You cannot see them. But here, whatever you are telling, you can verify it. Suppose I am telling you the family Acanthaceae members has solen node. If you have doubt, if you are unable to understand it, go to the field, take any plants of that family and see and verify that concept whether that plant has solen nodes or not. If that is present there, this study, this fact you remember for long time. Okay, so this is the right way and easiest way to learn the things. Okay, this is the benefit with taxonomy, not only in fields. Again I am telling you, this paper is easier for those students who are from village background, because they are more familiar with plants around there. Okay, because these plants are available in nature in fields. This is something restricted for those students who are not aware with village background or in fields, but still your kitchen is rich with variety of plants. I am damn sure in kitchen vegetables, fruits, spices, all those things are there, but ultimately they are plants. In spices, turmeric is using, spinach is using, many more are there. They are ultimately plants. So in this way you can learn the plant's name. So don't be panic, don't be afraid, and try to prepare yourself mentally to learn taxonomy. Okay, so let's start. This is the first family in your syllabus, even according to Bentham and Hooker's classification. Okay, most of the competitive exams they used to ask which is the primitive family, which is the first family. Write the name of the family which is the primitive, most primitive. So you have to remember, and students, I am telling you, this is the question for you people, that you have to write in comments the answer. My question is, which is the first family and which is the primitive family of Bentham and Hooker's classification. Okay, so please write in comment box so that I can know your involvement in lecture. Okay, so let's start. Magnoliaceae family, another name is Magnolia family. Students, one more thing, that each and every family has a plant on the basis of which name the family name has been given, and those plants are known as type species. Okay, that is type species. If somebody is asking you what is type species, you will have to say type species is that plant or that genus on the basis of which the family name has been given. Suppose here Magnoliaceae family is there. Okay, so this Magnoliaceae family name is given on the basis of Magnolia champaka. This is a plant of this family, and on the basis of this plant name, family name has been given. Suppose all those family, and this is the right way to learn plant's name. If somebody is asking to tell 10 names of families, botanical names, so at least 10 family you remember, on the basis of that family name you can tell. Suppose Malvaceae family is there, Malvescum is type species. Asclepiadaceae family is there, Asclepias is a type species. Cucurbitaceae is there, Cucurbita, Solanaceae, Solanum, Poaceae, Poa. Many more are there. So this is another easier way to learn the botanical name of the plants. Okay, so don't be afraid, don't be panic. This is not horrible subject, but students take it in other way that is very horrible, very difficult. How to learn this taxonomic names, terms. Okay, but don't afraid. Damn sure, I will try my best to make it more easier. So let's start. Magnolia family, that is Magnoliaceae. This family has 7 genera and 220 species. This diagram shows Magnolia and Liriodendron. First, about distribution. The members of this family are distributed in tropical to temperate regions of eastern North America, East Asia, and South America. Now, general character, and before that, there is a term Anita, that is 3 family groups, grade and magnoid phylogeny with required family emphasis. Okay, this is the phylogenetic evolution of Magnoliaceae family, that Amborulaceae, Nymphaeaceae, then Magnoliaceae. Okay, that is Magnolia. After that, monocot and dicot. Okay, now some of the characteristic features of the members of this family. In nature, they are woody plants with show flower. They don't have herbs and shrubs. 2 rank simple leaves, parasitic stomata, perianth generally trimerous, flowers on elongated receptacle, laminar stamens, carpel separate, that is apocarpus with superior ovary, boat shaped, monoscleroid, pollen, fruits are aggregate of follicles in Magnolia or winged samara in Liriodendron, seeds with fleshes, seed coat aerial in many cases, minute embryo and conspicuous endosperm. And economic importance, many species are cultivated as ornamentals. Students, one plant of this family is also available in our campus. You can identify it. Okay, so students, whatever I have said you to note down in comment box, please do it, don't ignore it. And on next turn we will study another topic, another family.